Alright, so this is going to be my first run slash bash since I've broken in the engine. Still running a little rich, but I do want to baby it for a little bit.
I think the battery will last longer.
Well, we're gonna go this here now. Once I'm done, I gotta go back home, recharge the batteries, wait. This is add gas in it. So
Yeah, and the battery should be thinking about is about 46 or 80 bucks for it. I have both, but nitro is nice for the same. And then I have gas as well.
just got a boost kit for it, like nitrous kit. Make rock crawlers.
Looks like you were playing with it for a while.
Yeah, I
want to film.
I gotta give you one of those, Red.
Alright, so we had a great session, no damage, everything's still running great, so we should have some new footage soon. Guys, thanks for watching. Please thumbs up and subscribe.